Hi, I'm Prince and we're here today for Pocket to Plate. So today we're going to be making some pineapple jerk burgers, and for this you're going to need So first we're going to chop up the lime. I'm going to give them a good squeeze into the chicken thigh. Bring in the pineapple. You just want to top and tail this and set that aside. And what I'll do is just bring around the edges, just discard of the skin. And it's optional. You can cut these into chunks, you can cut them into wedges, or you could cut them into rings. So for now, I'm just going to cut this end piece off, slice them, and then ice them. This is just because I want to add this to the marinade. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to chop a couple slices off, and this is to be garnished onto the burger. So what we'll do is we'll char these, give them a nice sear, and then they're going to be put on top of the burgers. So now we're going to add in the rest of the seasonings. So just whack all that in together. And this is going to be the fun part. Just going to wash my hands. So now that that's marinated, we're going to get that into the air fryer. And make sure you put all that goodness in, or you want all that pineapple. So while that's cooking in the air fryer, we're going to make a really simple ranch dressing. So I've got a cup of coconut milk. So we're just going to chuck that in. Then we've got a squeeze of a whole lime. And then we've got 1 tablespoon of the jerk marinade. So as you can see, I've chopped up some cabbage, red onion and carrots, and we're just going to make a simple coleslaw with the ranch dressing that we've just made. And just give that a good mix. We don't want this to be too wet because we're going to be serving this onto the pineapple jerk burger, so we want to keep it quite crunchy. So now that the chicken's been cooking for 10 minutes, I'm going to check them. That's perfect. So that's what you want to see. You want them to have a nice sear. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to turn them over. So now we're going to get onto the plantain fries. If you want to top and tail the plantain, cut down the centre, make sure you're mindful of your fingers, and just peel this. And now what you want to do is cut down the centre of this and just slice these down. And then just chop like that sort of size. And I'm just going to cut this up into a wedge, just going to be for garnish. The chilli, if you want to just cut these at an angle. And exactly the same for the spring onion. Right, the jerk chicken's finished, so I'm just going to get that out. Right, we're going to get these out because we're going to cook them plantain in the air fryer. Make sure you leave the garnish for later on. So we're going to put these in for 15 minutes on 200 degrees. And there we go, it's nice and golden, that's just what we want to see. So we're going for the full fakeaway experience. With some spring onion, fresh chilies, a squeeze of lime, and we're going to do the jerk chicken burger. A nice piece of the jerk chicken. Slice of cheese. So remember the pineapple from earlier? We just gave it a good char. fully loaded.